you want some of this green onions, Jonathan? Jonathan, you want some green onions on yours?
What?
Eat all of it.
No.
Come on, try.
No, I'm not eating it.
Bite it really, really hard. Come on, man. Come
You guys
on.
gonna have our turkey meal tomorrow night?
What?
You guys are
Too
going over
much.
Sunday, and you're having anything on Monday.
Come on.
Saturday sounds like everybody's busy
Eat
doing
it.
something.
Do you like lemons, Ben?
Saturday night.
They're okay.
They're okay? After the face, right?
I gotta pull up the 2 chickens.
Mm-hmm. Aw. Alright, we'll call it a day. I've tortured you enough. Thanks for coming out. Everyone, this is Benjamin, and goodbye.